What's up? What's up? Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to another live session. So let's take a look at the watch list here. Hopefully we get something sweet and nice. As usual, remember the disclaimer. Remember that day trading is risky for those of you watching on YouTube. Remember that you should not use money that you cannot afford to lose. Remember that a lot of traders are struggling. It's good to use smaller size. Practice in simulators before going live with a large sum of cash. Other than that, be careful of fake Relentless trader accounts, as well as content that is being stolen, sadly, and also being used for ads on Meta platforms, as well as Google and YouTube. Be careful of fake ads. Okay. With the disclaimer out of the way, let's take a look at the watch list here and the gap scan. Or let's look at the gap scan. We got MKZR. Volume? Okay, never mind. There's no volume on this one. Only 4,000 shares of volume. No good. Okay, coming down the list, YMAB. 300,000 shares of volume. Also pretty light. Yeah, okay, that one's a buyout. Coming down some more. SMXT. Gap scan. Okay, this is the first one looking like it's going to fit our criteria here. Not bad. SMXT looking like it's going to be one of the ones. Now we saw good momentum for the last 3-4 days, going back to last week. So hopefully today we can also see some continuation, some strength. This one is up 100%. We got, or rather 80%. We got 60 million shares of volume. And so hopefully into the open we can see the volume continue. Of course, we're using the day trade dash scanner here as we're going through the gap scan. So coming down lower, this one definitely will be on the list. There's AIP, $14, stock 7 million shares. Let's see. Doesn't really look like much, but you know, maybe there could be something there. Most of the move started in after hours. And today it's somewhat sideways. So I think this one could be worth keeping an eye on. Coming down, there's STAA at $26. Let's see. This one looks like a buyout. LOBO. All right. I would say that's a good 3 right there. So watching. SMXT. LOBO. I think top 2. LOBO. And then I'll throw the other one in there as a maybe. And that is AIP. Was that AIP? Shoots, man, my mind, my memory, goodness. See how TikTok has fried our brains here. Yeah, AIP, potential continuation. Nowadays, you can't even remember something that's 15 seconds ago. The new world is quite something else. Okay, let's put this in the alert section. There might be some others that look good, but you know, if they pop up on the scans, then I'll take a closer look. We got Don Juan in the building. What's up? What's up? Liquid, what's going on? Phil, we see you. Hopefully you guys are doing well and feeling good. Feed, what's up? Noah, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing all right. So let's come down here to SMXT and LOBO. And LOBO is, let's see, price-wise, it's around $1. Hopefully we can continue curling up, get up there to 150, 120. That could be pretty good. Let me see something here. Settings, setup. And let's see. We got 6 minutes to the opening bell. I'm gonna pop open another OBS here. All right. And I think we're looking good. I'm gonna put some trend lines and then I'll be good to go. I'm gonna come over to single screen as well. I mean, well, I'll leave the scanner on for a little bit more. As a few more people are tuning in. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Okay. Oh yeah. Settings. I'm just gonna go in my settings here and configure some things quickly. Okay. And then okay, here it is. All right, all set. Looks pretty good. So LOBO up to 115, not bad. We got 5 minutes, or 4 minutes rather, 4 minutes. Okay, I think we're looking pretty good. SMXT, we got pre-market highs at 177. Right now, the pullback is fairly tight, 165 lows, although the VWAP is down there at 154. We'll see how this one does coming into the open. Doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good, actually. The volume, though, has been fairly high, so we'll see if we can get more volume after 9:30. LOBO, on the other hand, more of a slower uptrend. And looks good. I do want to take a look at the daily chart here quickly for the two of these. SMXT, I'm gonna use E-Trade. 200 EMA is showing 192. Could be potential resistance. 192. And then the other one, LOBO. We got Big Steve, Allen, Alice, Bob, the bubblegum himself, Danny, Hollis, what's up? MR is also in the building today. Limitless, what's going on? Chatroom looking pretty good. Couple others are here as well. Oh wow, 200 EMA and LOBO 127, which was a high point from a couple days ago. So we'll definitely want to get over this level if possible on LOBO. If you guys check out the daily chart. And from there, you know, if we get over 127, maybe room to 2 or 150, and then maybe to 2, 168, 241 potential levels. All right, seems good here. Everything seems good. So with about a minute 25 seconds to the opening bell, hit that thumbs up and let's remember to be disciplined traders today, right? Let's follow our rules. Let's execute. Yesterday I had some issues executing. So today I want to make sure to get ahead of the momentum. That way I can have a good chance of being in rhythm. That's the key here for me, is getting in rhythm early if we're going to see an uptrending move. That way I can make quick decisions and have good analysis. Coming over to single screen, we've had a good time to look at the gap scanner there. Okay, everything looks pretty good. SMXT is the one I'll watch into the open, and I also have LOBO on the other screen. All right, here we go. $164, $166. Not a bad start here for SMXT. AUDD is also moving up. Definitely will check it out. I did see someone mention it in the chat and the YouTube stream as well. Wow, straight through the pre-market high. Okay. No trades for me as of yet. Hopefully we can see the first pullback here a little early. It looks like it's held very, very tight right there. So that's hardly a pullback, I'd say. We got a high of 89 now. 89 high. So again, the 200 EMA, right up there at 92. Stock is off to a strong start. Over 92 could be interesting if it goes. Will we hold tightly again here, or are we going to see a bigger dip? I'm going to size up if we can get over 92. It is a little late because we had such a good move already, but if the stock is strong, it'll keep going. Can we get through 92? Big level here, big level. I'd say that's a rejection. It's still here though. Can we hold and continue? Nah, it's having trouble. I'm gonna just wait a little bit. The breakout over 92, no bueno. We got to 95 right there though. LOBO doesn't look bad either. AUUD, still haven't looked at it, but stop hitting the scan, so. Oh, it looks like it's. Are we holding? Waiting. This one could be finished. It's possible. I think I'm going to take my talents to South Beach on LOBO. I took a massive position there too for that red to green, but I don't know. It's a little slow. So let's see. It could still curl back up, but in case it doesn't, LOBO is also moving up. This one has resistance a couple cents away though. There's a small seller here at 18. Oh, SMXT back over 80. Actually, okay, that was a decent double bottom. Not too bad. Maybe I switched away a little too soon. 99. Bro, why did I look away so soon, man? Damn it. Well, I've missed that sweet, sweet red to green dip, and now we're in the moon. Oh man. Oh, the other one was spiking up to 25. Opportunity will cost. We got a high of 9. Bro, I had like 10,000 shares down there, like 70 something. Like, come on. Oh, I'm not gonna chase it, so I'm stuck on the sidelines here. There's a halt, 230. False halt. Halt level still at 30. Halt level now at 38. We got a new high there of 39. I didn't get enough size on that pullback. And we sold our first position a little early at 30. Only took a couple cents. Breakout was much better than expected. Time. I got off to, it was too slow of a start here, but maybe it keeps going, right? We'll see. Gotta be dialed in though, because if it keeps going, gotta capture everything that comes. Right now we're seeing 45. Break of 50, not quite. Not quite. Stock looks pretty good. We're looking pretty bullish in the 5. We just got to see how the pullback here plays out. Man, I looked away down on that dip. Was just such a mistake, man. But opportunity will cost. The other stock was ripping up. And I'm starting to think like this pullback is kind of deep. So I'll just check out the other one. And it's right back to 85, 90. I had a position down there, but I was looking for like a quicker red to green. So once we like retested the low, I'm like, okay, let me check out the other one. So definitely needed more patience there, I'd say. Damn. I fumbled this dip. I gotta lock in here. Gotta lock in. Gotta lock in. time. Damn. Can we see 45? Damn. There's a lot of selling. Can we sustain all that selling? Okay, looks good. This is the type of stock you gotta really pick and choose your entries, and you gotta make the entries count as well. Bro, took 3 trades to get that trade and sold all 3 of them. It's unbelievable. It's selling off. Are we gonna hold? That's a big drop right there. 48 to 27 in a couple seconds. It's poor, bro. It's having some trouble for sure. Can we continue to hold? And yeah, that trade is not working, bro. Okay, that's fine. Well, I'm red to green, back to red. Not good. Bro, my problem was freaking switching away, man. When I switched away, I just kind of did myself a disservice there. Did myself a disservice, man. Come on, over 50, over 50. Like you know you can. Added back too early. What? Brother, what? Okay. Had some sort of notification there. It's like when the Schwab notification comes up. Not the time in case this thing goes. It should go. I'm not seeing any like sellers. I'm not seeing any sellers, so can we try again? Was this a daily resistance? I don't think so. 51. Bro, my level 2 is not showing that seller for whatever reason. It might be a hidden seller, maybe. Let me see. Let me double check. SMXT. Let's see what it does. Oh, eventually. Bro, I'm telling you guys, man, if I didn't look away in that big dip, I think I could have done so much better. And that is it. 15-1. Not quite. Oh, okay, I can see the seller now. Okay. Why isn't it showing on this other side? Dude, that is a massive seller. This isn't going anywhere. Is that like 800,000 shares? I have a different level 2 on the other side here. Well, I'll look at this one. Hold up. Dude, that seller is insane. Holy shit. Bro, how did that not show up on this one? Like, see, now I could have been buying there. Massive size and then like wondering why it's not going. Let me check something too. I'm gonna check this one here. Let me check this one. SMXT. There's no way I just saw 800K. It's been a long time since I've seen a seller of that size, like 2 years, 3 years. At this price range? Not to mention we got up to 400 and then back to red is like way too much losses. What's interesting is that everybody knows the seller is there and the stock has not sold off yet. So things might get even more interesting here. Went from 1.3 million to 850,000. Bro, what am I looking at on my level 2? Because I didn't even see this freaking seller. I am cooked. CWD is hitting the scans. I don't want to look away, man. I'm like tired of switching to a stock that's moving up and then just missing a red to green or just even watching a dip. So I'm gonna ignore it. Hopefully that doesn't mean it keeps going. $800K seller or maybe marketing out. Marketing out and dropping a bomb. Dropping an atomic bomb. What's that? 420. Oh wow, CWD is moving like crazy. Come on, give us a proper pullback. Oh, it might halt up. False halt up. 480s for the halt now. Man, I should have took more size, bro. What was that? Did I get a good fill? I'm long on CWD. What's the time? 07. Can we see CWD over 60? Nice, nice. Lovely, lovely. The highs are at 72. Ah, son of a gun. Dang, it is kind of wild though. Shoots, man. Dude, I sold that trade like a second soon, man. Second soon, 50 cents gone, just like that. Break of 5. It's kind of struggling for break of 5. Give me one more opportunity, please, please. I am begging. And now I am chasing it and losing. Give us one more opportunity. Come on, one more sweet opportunity on CWD. I know it's off screen. I don't have a chance to pull it up. Ah, that's not what I wanted, man. But I'm only gonna get 80 shares there. Out of fear of the dip not dipping more. Yep, okay, good read, good read. Still watching at CWD. I'm gonna try and pull it on screen as soon as I can. Still no chance to put it on screen. Still watching. Wait, why did that reject? Why did that order reject? That doesn't make any sense. Oh. Okay. I had a like it's still weird when it's still weird when order rejects, you know. Invalid shares, what's happening, man? Did I not get in? Oh, I don't think I got filled. Oh, that's what it is. Oh, that is madness. Bro. That is the depths. 64 for highs. It might come down. Here, let me try and get it on screen quickly. We're up 700 on it, which is uh, not a ton. I gotta focus on it, man. Got a missing trades. What's my fill? Terrible. Not good. All right. Bro, this stock is like doing so well. We gotta do better here. Time looks good. There's a seller, 50. Got bought up. I gotta be careful not to give back profits. Stock is so strong. We should have done a little bit better. So, gonna be careful with size and try to be as accurate as possible. Okay, taking a loss there. Hmm. Damn it. Dang. I don't know. Will it curl back up? It looks like it can. Oh, that was quite the dip. It was just too low to add, so I just canceled the whole trade. I cut the whole trade. Didn't get a chance to get back in. But it held up the VWAP. I saw 504, 504. It's showing 84 for the low. What was the time? I'm long and watching and waiting here. Still holding some. Can we hold on? Alright, cutting it. Damn it. Because the low is 84, it makes it like tricky. It's like we could go below 5. It's possible. Will we? Or will we hold? What's the 5-minute? Bro, I can trade so much better than like today and yesterday, man. Like these 2 days, just, or do I need somebody to throw a bucket of ice water in my face or something? That's my average. Okay. I'm only holding small size. The stock is in a interesting area. Well, okay, there's a big push. I barely have any shares, but okay. See, it was so hard to trust that with size, but all the way to 50, man. Look at that. High of days at 85. There's a bit of a battle here, a bit of a churn. I don't know if I want to try to break out. Do I want to try to break out? If it goes. Mm. Oh, shit. I'm late. I'm late. It's definitely breaking out. 6. These stocks are definitely a little slippery, right? Man. Like that balance between trying to buy the dip that's not going to dip all the way and taking the actual real dip, trying to analyze the stock as best as you can is a tough skill. Like right there, I would have expected more of a dip down to like 75 or something. It's still holding. 610 now, the high 610. Yeah, I mean, back to 92 right there. It's kind of tough. Back to 6. 86. It's wild. It's a wild one. Time. It's hard to say how low it'll go here. And maybe that was the low. Okay. Again, it's a tough skill there to have. It's like the moment it confirms, it's like up 20 cents. It's like you got to just be buying massive there if, for the first drop to catch that type of trade for the 20-cent bounce. I'm in small size, only 160 shares, which was my starter position. So it's a nice trade, but no size. I probably caught close to the bottom, maybe. Well, maybe not. 73. I am cooked. Oh, wow. We didn't really have a good micro in there. 48 the highs. Bro, look at that move, man. Small size is killing the past store. Fills are still a little clunky at times in terms of where you get it. See, that dip wasn't super decisive. I got to be careful not to take a big loss still. 64 highs. Ah, man. 71 highs. It's the way how it's dipping. It's like, it's just so weird. But it's working still, 80 highs. Okay, to hell with it. I'm chasing it. And chasing does nothing there. 80, 81 highs. Ay, ay, ay. Day trading, man. It's always a slippery slope. But I think the momentum is back, which means tomorrow I'm coming out of trader rehab and going full size. Now it's time to get back to business. After a long hiatus in momentum, small caps at the open, they're officially back. We can now rejoice. Taking 42. We can now rejoice. Now I'm taking 42 at no size, and it goes all the way back up. Shoots. What? Did I not get filled? I don't think I did. Oh, man. Bro, those issues are happening at the wrong time, bro. I can't look away for nothing. And then here comes a pop-up. 36 for highs. It wants to smoke. Can we? Oh, I cut it too soon. I cut it too soon. It's not gonna go all the way. And then areas like that, not good. $200 loss. $16, bro. How the fuck I get billed at 16, man? Driving me mad here. Holding for 30. Okay, nice trade. Nice trade. Small caps are back, baby. We've waited long enough. Now the time is here. Bro, I'm gonna size up right now. To hell with it. If we keep going, I'm gonna size up more. Trader rehab is over. Strong stocks are back. And it's time to win. You gotta be careful of this pullback though. Time looks okay. But we're definitely under a bit of pressure here on the pullback, I'd say. Oh, you son of a gun. Our candles are reversed on the 5. So it's a real pullback, all right. Long at 45. And stopping out at 32. That has to be the bottom there, but I missed it. Is it backside? I missed the dip down at 620s. Well, so much for now trying to put size, right? Too late? This is what the market does to me. The moment I think the stock is going to keep going to go crazy, punches me in the mouth. Ah, man. Day trading. And back to 60. Dang, bro, what a dip. That dip, I missed it. I missed it, but I probably should have still bought 30. I missed that dip, man. And from 30 to from 20 to 70. Man, I mean, even if I'm selling at 50, still a great trade. And right back up. Please give us something more, something else, another one. It might go all the way. Yeah, it is so strong. But it hasn't dipped since 620s. It's hard to just keep buying it higher, you know? Is it going to give at least something? A pullback or something? Or is it just going to go? This is what makes it so hard in these situations. Chasing it at 16 and stopping out at 10. Not good. Not good. Not good. No bueno. No bueno. From 620 to 720, no pullback. Damn, bro, and I'm gonna get murdered right there. Murdered. See? This is the issue when it doesn't pull back early. Now the freaking pullback is going down into oblivion. Bro. It's like you already know a pullback should come. I'm buying 70 thinking, okay, 70 is gonna work. Now I'm selling at 30. Ah, man, I tell you. I'm back in lower though. I'm holding shares here still. We'll see if it keeps going up. Day trading is gonna make us grow old here in no time. There's a bid at 63 of 18,000. Damn it, I got filled 65. Oh, it's at 90. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take that. It might get ready to go all the way. 744 is all the way to the highs. I'm back in at 86, selling some at 7 and watching to see what happens. And oh shit. It looks like it wants to just teleport up there, right? That's the vibe I'm getting. I'm actually going to stick to smaller size, even for the breakout, because I think there's risk and I don't want to lose, sadly. So I'm being a little chicken here to protect the gains, and I'll stick to smaller size in this area until further notice. I think I'd rather let it break out, even if I miss it, and then continue to trade the new uptrend, which might be a little safer in terms of the volatility. Yeah, I see, look at that, right? This is nonsense. I'm reading the future here. Oh. Oh, I'm getting the pop-up again on my thing. I'm still holding shares. I'm going to add back right here, 10. Bro, let's go. Let's go. Adding again 50. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Oh no, taking a loss. Damn. Holy smokes. It's still strong. It's still strong. It's still strong. I'm going to take 40. Tight stop. Smaller size again. Just in case it teleports down. 50. 60. That trade there was 600 shares alone, but I still made a good amount. But 600 shares is not a ton of size there. But from 650 to 730s, I think was pretty good. Pastor with some nice analysis for the people. It's still strong. The highs are at 96. And come on, come on. $85, $95. Taking losses, trying to get the breakout again, but seeing right here is where I thought it would have been a little bit smoother to trade with more size, but it's still moving kind of crazy. I think it's best if we see a pullback now rather than later. Can we pull back? It's trying for 90. I think it's best to see a pullback now, but maybe it keeps going. Shit. I added really high there. My ad came at 65. No bueno. Massive loss with size there. Tried 80. It looks like it's gonna go, but it's like wild. Okay, it might go here. Is this it? Oh my gosh, man. It's just so wild in the spreads. When it goes, it seems like it might go aggressive, like 50 cents or something crazy. It's just trying to manage risk for a breakout and all this chaos. Bro, please, man. What's happening? I think I'm hitting my hotkeys too fast. I gotta. What's the time? Time 41. Oh, Oh, it held though. I'm back in. Bro, I'm getting the error again. I didn't get filled. What happened? Bro, these hotkeys are killing me right now, man. Why? I don't think I got filled right there. Bought early enough. Bro, I'm getting cooked with my hotkeys. It's the least, it's the last thing I need right now at hot stock. Like if that went to 9 right there, I'd have missed the trade. New highs of 20. I don't like that I haven't moved up. Like I haven't made money in the last like 8 minutes, which felt like good trading too. So I gotta be careful. Gotta make sure I don't take on a big loss. Keeping to smaller size for now again. We never had the pullback. I mean, we had like 50. It dipped to like 50, 750. But I don't know if I'd say if that was a good pullback or not, you know? It was like in the range. We didn't really like come down. Like we had 60s, 70s, 80s. So 50s is like right there. Time, it's 10:43. $8.34 for highs. I think we're still looking pretty bullish. Although we gotta be careful. Oh, okay, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Should have took more though. Damn, I took a good size loss then. Shit. I didn't get to buy back with size. I'm in on the dip, but not with size. So this is a pullback. This is a real pullback here compared to 760, 750. Oh. Nah, bro. I'm not trying to see. This is the same exact thing from the last two times, right? We pull back to the whole dollar. Did I stop out too soon? Ah, dang, man. I'm in at 690. And it goes down. I'm like, it's making new lows. Ah. Well, I'm down 600 off the top, so maybe I should just stop right now. I don't know how much I lost between 760 and $7. Like, did I really take a loss in there? I thought I had like a really, really small size. Maybe I hit the wrong hotkey there. Oh, not. I don't love my performance here. Could have done better, but nevertheless, good trading. Sucks to miss this dip, but I had a little bit more size on this one. All right, I'm gonna keep watching just in case. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, wow. Day trading, man. I'm gonna mute my mic here for a sec. I'm gonna keep an eye on the current range, but not good. Got a little distracted there. Got a little distracted, but back in focus. I think for it to look good, it needs to get over 750 for like a red to green. Hindsight is 2020. Are we holding the high side of this range? Damn, 41. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. I'm gonna buy here. This could go. Shit. Bro, there's somebody holding from 690. I just can feel it. And I'm fumbling the trade like a out of order pastor. They gave me 55. No fear. No fear. Small caps are back, ladies and gentlemen. Now is the time. Now is the time. Mm. Probably should be looking over here. Trade from this side. So I can at least see my cost basis. Hey, shout out to Zay. Zay caught the trade there at 690 in the chat room. One of the students. Let's go. We could potentially still see a new high of day, but we gotta still, of course, manage risks, be careful. I've been stuck at like 2K for the last hour now. So I want to be careful to not be too aggressive. I will take that trade every time. Lovely. I will take it. It's showing some good life. Like we can get back to high of day potentially. But if the life starts to get squeezed out of it, then I'm done. In at 91 right there, out at 30. And watching for the continued move to 50, 60 if possible here. Still holding some. We'll see if it keeps going. If not, break even on the small position that's left. There's 40. There's 50. Nice. VWAP is where 650. Can we hold high? I think it's time we start pulling away from the lows, you know? What time is it? There's a new candle here. Can we start to pull away from the lows? Well, nope. Maybe not. We could see $8 again. Did I not get filled again? Bro, that is tough. Bro, and again? Oh, okay. I got filled high though, 57. Jeez. Take me to the promised land of $8. Take me to the promised land of 8. The resistance came early right there. So somebody was selling into that. Uh, let's see what it continues to do. Bro, hopefully it can go and hold up. Like, we don't want to see 8 and then back down, you know? Back to the lows again, eh? Eh, as they say in Canada. We were in on that dip, small size, sold into the move up. Although, I guess there's no guarantees we go back to 8. Maybe that's why I'm selling early, because I really should probably still be holding the trade. Is fear holding me back here? Cannot allow fear to rule my destiny. Oh. 30, 33, 36. It should have already went if it was going to teleport. So, perhaps a bluff. We've been making lower highs, so we got to be careful. Yeah. Can we get back above 90 and then 7? I'd be interested above 90. Nope. This could be backside. I'm going to ease off and watch from the sidelines. Not in on that dip. What was that low? Like 30? I'm still interested back over 90. I'm in, watching. Let's see what it does. Yeah, yeah. Fly, fly, fly. You know you can. Oh, no. Okay. Well, it was worth a try. We got to 715. I mean, from 36 to 715, I mean, we can't be mad, right? I wanted to see like 30, but that's fine. Shoot. Right, look away. It's at 30. What happened? Bro, that's unbelievable. This thing is still strong, man. When I look away, it didn't continue right away, so we might still end up seeing more resistance. But being that it's back up here, it's definitely strong. So there might end up being more resistance between like 30 and 60 again. But if we get through those levels, I'd say high of day will be guaranteed at that point. Guarantee. Like Charles Barkley on ESPN. As you know, his guarantees are never 100%, just like mine, as anything can happen. But that is the analysis, at least. You know, we'll see if it happens. Right here, I think it would be healthy to see an early pullback because we did come from 36, but, you know, we'll see. Or we've gotten lower highs right there again for the last couple of candles, although we're early in the consolidation, so 5-minute chart still bullish. Watch and wait. Watching and waiting. Damn, I got distracted there. Got distracted. What was that? 94? Bro, how do I start daydreaming? Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I gotta lock in here. I just completely zoned out right there. Jesus Christ. Might really need that ice water in my face because that is unacceptable. We got higher lows again. The new candle. We need the 5-minute candle to make the new high. There's another one coming in a minute. And some change. Can we start to build up to 750? Taking 36. Adding at 57. Can we see 70? Can we see 70? My ad came really high, sadly. Losing trade. Should have sold it for 60. Damn. And then there's 76. This could be backside, I think. It's kind of under stress now. And this is where I take my leave. If it's done here, then I don't want to touch it again. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, small caps at the open, they're back. This can't be coincidence now because it's 4 days within the last 7 trading days. That's been, or 5 even, maybe 5 out of the last 7 trading days has been uptrending momentum holding up and not just flushing back out to the lows after 1 or 2 minutes. We're back in full order. Trader rehab is no more after today. Tomorrow we're coming back with a little bit more size. The time is here and the time is now. Who was that guy from yesterday that was saying small caps are cooked? That I told to write down the three things, the 3 bullet points. The time is here and the time is now. Grab your popcorn every day and your box juice and tune in. Relentless Trader is here to save the day. Fearless, relentless. I'm going to charge ahead with no fear. H1, we only got the 2.5, but this 2.5 we will take, brother. We will take. I mean, it was the kind of day to be up more, but, you know, we're still smaller size. We kind of made a couple mistakes along the way, so we will take the green. We will take the green. We will take the green. Guys, don't forget, man. RT, the pastor. I'm going to lead us to victory in this troubling times where people are uncertain and unsure. Thinkorswim, E-Trade, Lightspeed, Guardian, Sage. Give me any platform. I don't care. We got this. The team, we got this. Myself, Marcelo, the team house members, the students, you know, Big Steve, Lucas, Cactus Rob. The list goes on. One day at a time, slowly but surely. We're going to get right back to the top, to our winning ways. And these last couple of days, it's quite the proof. In the last 6 days, in the last 6 trading days, we're up about $6,000, which is very solid, especially for trader rehab. What can we do with more size? What can we do with better trading and more patience? I'm ready. I've been more ready than I've ever been, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this before this year is over. If this type of momentum here keeps up, we're gonna be right where we need to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream here. Hit the thumbs up. Relentless Trader is nowhere near cooked or finished. We will keep on keeping on. You know, I spoke to two of the team house members yesterday. You know, everyone is going through a bit of a slower patch, and we're gonna work hard to get to the other side, man. We're gonna keep dialing it in, and we're gonna get to a place where we're so well diversified and so well organized that we can make money in our sleep. And that's the ultimate goal, freedom. So hit that thumbs up. I'm heading out, and I'll catch you guys later. Once again, the final P&L is at 25.37. So nicely done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay green, and Pastor is signing out. We got this, man. We got this.